Okay, class, Chapter 7 is Android, Where's My Car? So let's just jump right in. First, we'll start a new project. I'm calling it Where's My Car just because it's shorter. The first thing I want to do is set up the screen so it looks like what we have on our assignment in the book. And it says Android, comma, Where's My Car? Question. Let's set the orientation to be portrait. So now we've got to kind of lay out some things on here. One of them, of course, is our current header label. So let's grab a label. We'll pull it over here. And this one is going to be renamed current header label. So let's rename it. All right. And this is going to say your current location. So let's go change this. And let's make it bold. Okay, underneath this, we have to put a horizontal arrangement. That's in the layout drawer. Horizontal arrangement, let's make it fit the width of the parent. And within that, we're going to put another label called the current address label. So let's go and grab another label. And rename it current address label. And that will be good. Looks like we want to make the text say address and then a colon. So let's go here. Okay, and then after address, we're going to go and have another one, which is address data label. So let's grab another label and we'll put it next to it. And we're going to rename this current address data label. Okay, we've got that, and that'll have the current address. Then we want to put another horizontal arrangement under this. So let's go back into layout, horizontal arrangement, and let's make it fill the parent again. And then we want to put some more labels in here. So back to the user interface, grab a label, and this guy we're going to rename as the GPS label. So let's go and do that. GPS label. And the text on it is going to say GPS colon. So let's do that. I'll put a space there as well. And then we want to get another label. Put that after GPS. And this is going to say current, or it's going to be the current lat label, and it won't have any text initially. So rename it. Current lat label. And let's get the text out of here, or just give it a 0 for now. And then we're going to put a comma label in between, so we grab another one. Name, comma label. And guess what the text is going to be on here? A comma, perfect. And then we need current long label. One is here, rename. Long label, and we'll also put a 0. We see where they are. Now we need a button. The button is going to be what we use to remember where we are. So let's grab a button, put that down here, and let's rename this remember button. And the text on it will be in the book. Remember my current location. Let's go and do that. I think in the book it looks like it's bolded, so let's do that too. And that's the first half of our screen. We'll get the rest of it in the next screencast. Good start.